Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.